What is up, guys? Welcome back to my vlog. So we are here in Uno gas station.
Yeah, and guys, we're going in Caliraya.
Yeah, we're going on Caliraya in Cavinti, Laguna.
Yeah, it's 100 meters
Cavinti ba yan?
away.
So we're going to Caliraya. Ano tayo doon mag-iikot-ikot? So dito kami sa Uno. We-meet up tayo sa kapatid ni Mrs. sa may McDonald's sa Bukal. Dito tayo dadaan sa pagkalampas ng Turbina, Calamba.
Okay, and
Bypass.
guys,
So punta tayo ng Bukal sa may papunta ng Pansol. So samahan niyo kami sa aming biyahe. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Turbina, Calamba. So meron dito kasing bypass. Ang labas na dito is Pansol, Laguna. So medyo traffic lang dito kasi ang Turbina kasi is ano yan, lugar yan ng mga bus galing ng Sorsogon papuntang south, no? Ito yung terminals ng mga bus. So talagang expect medyo hindi naman siya heavy, no? Moderate lang naman yung traffic dito. Dahil lang yun sa mga bus na pumaparami. So dadaan tayo ng bypass road. Ang labas natin Pansol. Mga ilang meters pa, no? According kay Google, mga 9 minutes pa bago kumaliwa. Mga 6.3 kilometers. Pero okay lang yan, mabilis naman ang ating biyahe. Okay guys, we are now here at Jade Blue sa Pansol, malapit na sa Los Baños. So we are still waiting for our Kapamillas.
and we're waiting for them.
Ito bagong gising to. Kasi hihibod. Tapos we're still waiting for them, kala Amon, Jen, kala Papa, tsaka kay Mama, tsaka na Hana. Ngayon, huling update, nasa ano pa lang sila, nasa turbina kasi napaikot sila sa ano, sa expressway, mali yung na-exitan nila. So maaga pa naman tayo guys, 6 ano pa lang naman ngayon, 6:21. And I think magiging dire-diretso na yung biyahe natin papunta ng Kabinti. What you feel? How's your sleep?
Good. I dreamed about that I am in Roblox.
What? Now here in Caliraya Lake. So gagawin natin dito, tatawid tayo dun papunta sa mismong resort. Gagamit tayo ng isang pinaka special nilang bangka. So usually ang biyahe namin from Silang Cavite going here mga 3 hours, no, kasama na yung paghihintay. So yun, then let's try to go around, no, kasi day tour lang naman tayo, hindi naman tayo mag-overnight. So one of the things na, or special things dito sa Caliraya Lake is you can go around the resort, and kung may oras pa kayo, pwede kayo pumunta doon sa, pwede kayo umikot dyan, maglakad-lakad, no. Ayan, so ikot-ikot tayo mamaya.
guys, nandito na tayo sa main entrance ng Caliraya Resorts Club. Ayan, as you can see, meron silang jeep dito. Ayan, yung pinakauna. So, good thing din yun kasi malaki yung area nila, no, para hindi na makapaglakad-lakad. So, yan, may jeep. Then, dito guys, merong mga horse na pwede nyo sakyan. Ayan, actually marami activities dito, no. Ayan, as you can see, yan yung mga activities na ina-offer nila. Meron silang fishing area, floating playground sa tubig, go-karts, water bike, sky bicycle, no. Mga bago yan guys. Kasi last time wala silang floating playground, no. Nating isa-isahin tong mga activities dito. Papakita ko sa inyo yung kung worth it ba silang puntahan. Kasi halimbawa, fishing area guys is 300 per kilo kung mag-fishing kayo dito. So meron din yung mga playground, yung floating playground, 150 per head. So check natin kung worth it siya sa price. Mga go-karts, water bikes. Subukan natin na matry out natin. So nandito tayo ngayon sa mga rooms, cabana, yun yung tawag dito sa mga rooms dito. So nakuha natin cabana number 4. And as you can see, meron sila dong parang tambayan, parang pavilion, recreational facilities, kayak, ano ba gagawin natin ngayon?
I think ang included lang kasi
Gusto
free
niyo?
slide, zip line, Florimal slide, swimming pool, tapos water bike, tapos yung ano ba yun? Half day inflatable something yung pool. Yun, tapos yung the rest, sky bicycle included to, sky bicycle. Saka super slide.
Nasubukan namin itong sky bicycle eh. Okay naman.
Yung iba, may bayad na. Tapos sasabihin lang yung room number. Cabana 4S. I-charge na after yung mga yan.
Ayun, may table tennis oh. May billiard. Alam ko ito, doon sa taas yan eh.
Doon sa
We gonna let like a sun shining the night away. We burn the past in the fire, I know it will be okay. We gonna light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. We stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside, a million voices with just one line. And they will see a sign, a million hearts from 1,000 miles. They're running around through the streets, rising in tides. We gonna be the city, nothing we cause the cold for crumbling empire. We gonna be the city lights. We gonna beat of the drama, her heartbeats with stardust wave. We're gonna light like the sun, moving as one, shining the night away. And we stand in the silence and worries just fade away. On this fire that burns inside, your voice is in the same line. And they will see us shine. A million hearts from thousand miles. They're running on to the streets and rising in tides. We gonna beat the city, mountain we call us the cold of a crumbling empire. We gonna beat the city. We gonna beat the city lights. We gonna beat the city. We gonna beat the city lights. The city lights. The city. The city lights. The city.
So guys, we're now here we're still here in the swimming pool valley. And tambay kami dito. Yung mga kasama natin, yung mga kapatid ni Missy, sila Amon, si Dayan, si Hana, Mama, Papa, tsaka si Jen. Yan. Nag-ano na sila dito. Yan, nakikita niyo yan. Super slide. So, maganda yung experience nila, pero ako noon hindi maganda experience kanun, kaya hindi na ako umulit. Pero nandito kami ngayon sa isang special spot sa amin mag-asawa, itong swimming pool na ito. Kasi dati dito rin kami tumambay noon. Tapos si Pim noon maliit pa, wala pang lulo noon. Tapos ngayon mayroon ng lulo, tapos ang laki na ni Pim. So flashback yun sa amin. So dito kami natambay ngayon. So ano masasabi mo, Shubori, sa gala natin? Tapos tulog si Lolo. Yan lang yung dinayo namin dito, tulog. Ayan ang aming maliit na baby. Ang aming Fim. Ang dinayo talaga dito sa Caliraya ay swimming pool at saka playground. Si Spider-Man. Okay, so lalakad kami. Pupunta kami sa water bike na kung saan magbabike ka sa water. Think smart, not hard.
the sun shining the night away. We burn the past in the fire, I know it will be okay. We got a light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. We stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside, a million voices with just one line. And they will see us shine, a million hearts from 1,000 miles. We're running along through the streets, rising in tides. We gonna beat the city, nothing we cause the cold for crumbling empire. We gonna beat the city lights. We gonna take back the summer and spend this long night awake. Let it beat of a drama, our heartbeats will start us way.
Yung water bike guys ay temporarily not available dahil naayos daw yung kanilang mga bikes, pinipinturahan. So going back kami ngayon sa kwarto, papahinga lang ng kaunti, then CR muna, lunch na rin naman. Time check, it's 11:45 na ng hapon ng umaga. Dumating kami dito ng mga 7:45. Yan. So review sa ngayong umaga, okay naman. More on sa swimming lang kami tumambay. Pero yung mga kasama natin, umikot sila ng sa slide, super slide. Tayo wala. Welcome to the Philippines. Hindi Philippines, pero yun. Philippines.
2,000 years later.
So guys, so ito yung tinatawag na floating playground. As you can see in this video, or sa anggulong ito, it's a circuit, no? Paikot siya. And medyo siguro disadvantage lang yung ganitong init kasi panigurado mainit tong dadaanan na ito. Kaya I suggest na lang sa inyo na mga tatry nyo to, yung makulimlim na lang para di kayo mapasok. Pero itong mga kasama natin, excited much. So sila na lang. Mamaya na.
Like the sun, moving as one, shining the night away. And we stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside, a million voices in the same line. We'll see us shine, a million hearts from 1,000 miles. I'm running around to the streets, rising in tides. We're gonna beat the city, mountain we call us the cold of a crumbling empire. We're gonna beat the city. We're gonna beat the city lights. We're gonna beat the city. We're gonna beat the night away. And we stand in the silence and worries just fade away.
Pasok! Mainit yan pa.
And this fire that burns inside, a million voices in the same line, and they will see us shine. A million hearts from thousand running to the streets are rising in tides. We gonna be the city mountain. We call us the crow of a crumbling empire. We gonna be the city. We gonna be the city lights. We gonna be the city. We gonna be the city lights. The city lights, the city, the city lights, the city. Running around through the streets, rising in sights. We gonna be the city mountain. We call us the cold for crumbling light. We gonna be the city. We gonna be the city lights. We gonna be the city. We gonna be the city lights.
Try again.
We're gonna light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. And we stand in the silence and worries just fade away.
Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang ating video for this content, no? Dito sa Caliraya. And I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So as you can see, unti lang yung na-videohan natin dito, no? And detour lang naman kami, hindi naman kami nagstay for like 24 hours, no? So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned sa susunod nating kabanata.